The built-in waivers on TripWorks are great for streamlining your business operations, but they're also great for remarketing. So let's dig into a couple aspects on the information that we collect, the information you can collect, and then some of the reporting that is very helpful when looking at remarketing or reaching out to your customers for promotions or special events and things like that. So looking at this activity here that Jenny has booked for a bike rental, you can see that during checkout, we've only asked for her information because she was the lead guest or the one that was booking the reservation. However, she booked for two others where we didn't collect that information during checkout. When the customer gets the email to sign the waivers, each guest is going to sign their own individual waiver. So in that case, let's take a look over at the customer portal and pretend that we're passenger number 2 on this reservation and see what it looks like after passenger 2 signs the waiver. So Kevin K has filled out his information, he's read through the waiver, and now he's going to agree to the document. Once he completes signing the waiver, we can go back into that reservation. And now we can see that his information has populated here under passenger number 2. So the really cool thing is even though we're not collecting that information up front during checkout, which quite frankly makes it a smoother process for your customer as it's a quicker checkout flow and they don't have to sit and enter in customer phone numbers and emails, we do collect that information later as soon as the waiver is signed. So once guest number 3 signs their waiver, we're now going to have their first and last name, email, phone number, address, and just depending what other information you have required on your waiver. So how is this helpful? If we skip over to your report section inside TripWorks and you select more, you're going to see 2 helpful reports. First, you're going to see the waivers report down at the bottom. The waivers report will show you all of the customers that have signed their waiver. You'll see their date of birth, the activity that they were scheduled for, and the date that they were scheduled to come in. So in our example where we've signed for Kevin K, we can see his information here in this top line item. This report can also be saved and exported if you're looking to remarket to those customers outside the platform. Heading back over to more, we also have a passenger contacts report. So every customer that comes through your account, customers that are signing waivers, you'll see them here in the passenger contacts report. On this report, you'll also be able to scroll over and you'll see the customer's birth date, phone number, email, the same details. However, this will include the address. So this is great if you're trying to remarket to specific locations, specific demographics. You can also save and export this report as well. If you have any questions on this, let us know.